ChatGPT, please advise how to stay healthy and live longer, 100 years. What are blue zones in the world? What are these sentiment lifestyles, which can be learned from them? Give some interesting stories. As an AI language model, I can provide you with some general advice on how to stay healthy and live longer up to 100 years old, based on research and studies. 1. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced and nutritious diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein is important for maintaining good health. You may consider adopting a Mediterranean-style diet that includes plant-based foods, healthy fats, and limited red meat. 2. Stay physically active. Regular exercise is important for maintaining a healthy weight, improving cardiovascular health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, each day. 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have negative effects on your health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Get enough sleep. Good quality sleep is important for overall health and well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. 4. Maintain social connections. Having strong social connections and supportive relationships has been linked to better health and longevity. Blue zones are regions in the world where people live significantly longer than the global average. These regions include Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya, Costa Rica, Icaria, Greece, and the Seventh-day Adventist community in Loma Linda, California, USA. Researchers have identified common lifestyle factors that contribute to the longevity of these populations, including A plant-based diet. Most blue zone populations consume a plant-based diet that is rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. B. Regular physical activity. The people in blue zones engage in regular physical activity throughout their lives, such as walking, gardening, or other daily activities. C. Strong social connections. The people in blue zones have close-knit communities and strong social connections, which help to provide emotional support and reduce stress. D. Purposeful living. Many people in blue zones have a sense of purpose and a reason to wake up each day, whether it is to care for family members or contribute to their communities. Here are a few interesting stories about centenarians from blue zones. Story 1. In Okinawa, Japan, there is a woman named Kane Tanaka who was born in 1903 and is currently the world's oldest living person. She credits her longevity to a diet that includes plenty of vegetables and a love of mathematics. Story 2. In Sardinia, Italy, there is a high concentration of male centenarians who have a diet that is rich in whole grains, beans, and vegetables. They also maintain strong social connections and live active lifestyles. Story 3. In Loma Linda, California, the Seventh-day Adventist community has a high concentration of centenarians who follow a plant-based diet and engage in regular physical activity. They also prioritize rest and relaxation on the Sabbath day, which helps to reduce stress. Overall, the key to living a long and healthy life is to adopt healthy habits, maintain strong social connections, find purpose in your life, and prioritize self-care.